Listening to English every day is the best way to improve. No pressure, no stress. Just 5 minutes of easy learning.
The spirit of sumo, Japan's ancient national sport. Sumo wrestling, known simply as sumo, is more than just a sport in Japan. It is a deeply rooted cultural tradition with a history spanning over 1,500 years. As Japan's national sport, sumo embodies the country's values, including respect, discipline, and reverence for tradition. This article explores the origins, rituals, and modern-day significance of sumo wrestling, shedding light on why it continues to captivate audiences in Japan and around the world. The origins of sumo, a sacred tradition. Sumo wrestling dates back to ancient Japan, with its earliest mentions appearing in Shinto mythology. According to legend, the gods Takamikazuchi and Take Manakata engaged in a sumo match to determine the rightful ruler of Japan. This mythological connection highlights the spiritual roots of sumo, which was initially performed as a religious ritual to appease the gods and pray for a bountiful harvest. In the early days, sumo matches were held at Shinto shrines, and the sport was closely linked to agricultural ceremonies. It wasn't until the Edo period 1603 to 1868 that sumo evolved into a spectator sport. During this time, sumo tournaments became popular entertainment, attracting large crowds and gaining the patronage of feudal lords. The sacred dohyo, sumo's ring of tradition. The sumo ring, known as the dohyo, is a sacred space that plays a significant role in the sport's rituals. Made of clay and covered with sand, the dohyo is constructed with great care before each tournament. The preparation process includes a purification ritual led by a Shinto priest to ensure the ring is spiritually clean. The dohyo is more than just a wrestling ring, it symbolizes a sacred arena where the physical and spiritual aspects of sumo intertwine. Wrestlers are expected to show respect for the dohyo by performing ceremonial rituals, such as throwing salt to purify the ring and stomping their feet to drive away evil spirits. The respect for the dohyo reflects sumo's deep connection to Japanese traditions and values. Wrestlers bow to each other before and after a match, symbolizing mutual respect and acknowledgement of their shared heritage. The life of a rikishi, discipline and dedication. Sumo wrestlers, known as rikishi, lead highly disciplined lives centered around their training and the traditions of the sport. From a young age, aspiring rikishi join sumo stables, where they live and train under the guidance of experienced coaches. Life in a sumo stable is strict, with a focus on discipline, respect, and hierarchy. Rikishi follow a rigorous daily routine, which includes early morning training sessions, a diet designed to help them gain weight, and various chores around the stable. One of the most famous dishes consumed by sumo wrestlers is chenko nabe, a hearty stew packed with meat, vegetables, and tofu. This dish provides the necessary nutrients and calories to maintain their large physiques. The sumo lifestyle is demanding, but it instills a sense of perseverance and respect for tradition. The hierarchy within the sumo world is strictly observed, with lower-ranked wrestlers performing tasks for their seniors as a sign of respect. The rituals and ceremonies of sumo. Sumo is rich in rituals and ceremonies that reflect its spiritual origins. Before each match, wrestlers perform a series of rituals that have been passed down through generations. These rituals include the shiko, a ceremonial leg stomp to ward off evil spirits, and the salt-throwing ritual to purify the dohyo. One of the most iconic rituals is the yokozuna dohyo iri, performed by the highest-ranking wrestler, the yokozuna. This ceremonial entrance involves a series of symbolic movements to demonstrate strength and dignity. The yokozuna is accompanied by two other wrestlers and a jyoji, or referee, dressed in traditional attire. The ceremony is a powerful reminder of sumo's connection to Japan's spiritual and cultural heritage. Sumo tournaments also feature the Yushosen, or championship match, which is followed by the awarding of prizes to the tournament winner. The Emperor's Cup is one of the most prestigious prizes, symbolizing the Rikishi's achievement and dedication to the sport. The ranking system in sumo. Sumo has a unique ranking system that determines a wrestler's status within the sport. The highest rank is Yokozuna, followed by Ozeki, Sekiwake, Kamasubi, and Megashira. To achieve the rank of Yokozuna, a wrestler must demonstrate not only exceptional skill and strength but also dignity and leadership qualities. Yokozuna is a lifetime title, meaning that once a wrestler is promoted to this rank, they cannot be demoted. However, if a Yokozuna performs poorly or behaves in a way that dishonors the sport, they are expected to retire voluntarily. The ranking system reflects sumo's emphasis on merit and discipline. Wrestlers must consistently perform well in tournaments to maintain or improve their rank, making each match a critical test of their skill and determination. Sumo in modern Japan. While sumo remains deeply rooted in tradition, it has also adapted to modern times. Sumo tournaments, held 6 times a year, attract large audiences both in Japan and internationally. The Japan Sumo Association oversees the sport and works to preserve its traditions while promoting it to new generations. Sumo's popularity has grown beyond Japan, with wrestlers from countries like Mongolia, the United States, and Europe achieving success in the sport. These international rikishi bring new perspectives to sumo while respecting its customs and traditions. Despite its modern appeal, sumo faces challenges in balancing tradition with contemporary values. Issues such as gender equality have sparked debates within the sumo community. For example, women are traditionally forbidden from entering the dohyo due to its sacred status, a rule that has been criticized in recent years. The cultural significance of sumo. Sumo is more than just a sport, it is a cultural symbol that embodies Japan's values and traditions. The rituals, ceremonies, and discipline associated with sumo reflect the country's respect for history, spirituality, and hierarchy. Through sumo, people can gain a deeper understanding of Japanese culture and its emphasis on respect, perseverance, and harmony. Sumo also serves as a reminder of the importance of preserving traditions in a rapidly changing world. While modern technology and globalization have transformed many aspects of daily life, sumo remains a timeless tradition that continues to inspire people with its blend of athleticism, spirituality, and cultural heritage. The global influence of sumo. In recent years, sumo has gained international recognition, with fans and practitioners around the world. Sumo tournaments are broadcast globally, and sumo clubs have emerged in various countries, introducing the sport to new audiences. The global appeal of sumo lies in its unique combination of physical competition and cultural tradition. For many, sumo represents a connection to Japan's rich history and a way to experience its cultural values firsthand. International sumo tournaments and cultural events further promote understanding and appreciation of this ancient sport. Conclusion: the timeless spirit of sumo. Sumo wrestling is a profound expression of Japan's cultural heritage. From its mythological origins to its modern-day tournaments, sumo reflects the values of respect, discipline, and harmony that are central to Japanese culture. The rituals, ranking system, and lifestyle of sumo wrestlers offer a glimpse into a world where tradition and modernity coexist. As sumo continues to evolve, it remains a powerful symbol of Japan's identity. Whether performed in a sacred Shinto shrine or in a modern arena, sumo carries the timeless spirit of Japan, a spirit that honors the past while embracing the future. Through sumo, we are reminded of the enduring importance of tradition, respect, and the pursuit of excellence.